The Eibenstock ERC 350 pipe saw is a powerful precision tool designed for seamless cutting and chamfering of plastic pipes up to 350 mm in diameter, ideal for demanding tasks such as ventilation pipe installations. Equipped with a robust 1,250 watt motor, this saw delivers the strength needed for high-demand jobs. It includes an adjustable bevel width feature, allowing users to tailor the cutting angle to fit project specifications. To maintain a clean and safe work environment, the ERC 350 also integrates a dust extraction system that efficiently captures plastic particles during operation. For added stability, the extendable roller carriage and support bracket ensure secure placement, allowing for more accurate cuts and reducing user fatigue. The compact design of this saw fits neatly into its transport box, making it portable and practical for job sites. The Crescent Connect Hand Clamp is designed to offer maximum versatility with up to 500 pounds of clamping force. Its modular design features a slot for attaching to other clamps, enabling 360-degree rotation for optimal clamping angles. Its specially designed pipe teeth grip round objects securely, preventing twisting and ensuring precise stability for delicate cuts. With a quick change end, the clamp easily converts into a spreader, adding further flexibility for a range of tasks. The rubber-textured grips provide comfort and reduce hand fatigue, making this clamp suitable for extended use. Powerful, adaptable, and ergonomically designed, the Crescent Connect Hand Clamp is a go-to for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who value efficiency and control. The Milwaukee MX Fuel Diamond Core Drill is engineered for high-performance drilling through concrete with exceptional control and precision. Powered by a durable power-state, brushless motor, it can drill holes up to 152 mm in diameter in reinforced concrete. Key safety features like the patented clutch design and auto-stop technology minimize loss of control by stopping the drill if the bit gets stuck. The integrated RedLink Plus intelligence provides real-time feedback through onboard sensors, allowing users to apply the correct pressure for each task. The MX Fuel Red lithium battery makes the drill cordless, eliminating the need for extension cords, and it supports the OneKey app for tool tracking and remote locking. For both wet and dry applications, this drill delivers reliable, professional-grade results, making it an essential tool for construction environments. The DeckPro is a tool engineered for creating a sleek, professional finish on decking projects by ensuring hidden fastening, leaving no visible screws on the surface. It fits all common decking board sizes from 85 to 150 mm, allowing for one tool to suit various board widths. The adjustable gap settings between 3 to 7.5 mm, managed with included spacers, provide uniform board spacing. With a durable design tested for loads up to 100 kilograms, the DeckPro ensures a robust build while protecting deck surfaces. Built-in spacers, secure screws, and depth control make this tool an ideal choice for a polished deck installation that's both visually appealing and safe for barefoot use. Spikeease is a groundbreaking battery-operated tool designed to simplify spike removal in emergency scenarios, eliminating the need for bulky hydraulic systems. At just 25.8 pounds, it's lighter than most hydraulic options and operates at speeds of 3 to 7 seconds per spike, making it both quick and efficient. Its battery power removes the need for complex setups with hydraulic hoses and gas generators, minimizing user strain and operational time. Designed for safety and convenience, Spikeease offers a straightforward solution for emergency professionals looking to expedite their response time with minimal equipment. The Metabo KS 66FS circular saw merges powerful cutting performance with precision, making it a trusted tool for professionals and DIY users alike. Compatible with guide rails from top brands such as Festool, Bosch and Makita, it allows fast, accurate crosscuts when paired with Metabo's cross-cutting rail. The lightweight die-cast aluminum guide plate and soft grip handle offer comfortable handling, while a visible cutting indicator and adjustable 0-degree position improve precision. Efficient dust management is possible with a rotatable and lockable sawdust ejection nozzle that connects to an all-purpose vacuum. Compact and transport-friendly, it comes with a Metabox for organized storage and convenient transport, making it suitable for a range of professional applications. The Klein Tools cable tracer is designed specifically for tracing and testing open-ended, non-active wire runs with ease and precision. This tool features a robust analog tone generator and a responsive wire tracing probe, making it highly effective for identifying wire paths and ensuring cable continuity. The probe includes a durable, non-metallic conductive tip that maintains performance, even in challenging environments. The set comes with alligator clips for unterminated wires and an RJ45 to RJ45 test cable, adding versatility for various wiring setups. For use in low light conditions, the probe's tip has a built-in work light, ensuring quick wire identification in confined spaces. With adjustable volume control for tuning sensitivity, the cable tracer provides efficient operation using AAA batteries, which are included for added convenience. Are you looking for a grinder that combines robust power and advanced safety features? The Milwaukee M18 fuel braking grinder delivers 13 amp corded power with the added benefit of a braking system that halts accessories in under 3 seconds. With a 6-inch grinding capacity and a high-speed power-state brushless motor that spins at 9,000 RPM, this tool is engineered for tough applications such as grinding, surface preparation, and cutting. RedLink Plus Intelligence technology prevents overload and overheating, giving you peace of mind as you work. The M18 Red Lithium High Output XC6.0 battery provides long-lasting performance, allowing extended work time between charges. The FixTech nut enables tool-free accessory changes, while the adjustable guard requires no tools for setup. Housed in metal for enhanced durability, the M18 fuel braking grinder is a reliable, high-performing tool suitable for any demanding job site. The high-lift first responder jack is built with first responders and heavy rescue scenarios in mind, delivering an impressive 4,660 pounds of force for lifting, spreading, and stabilizing operations. Constructed from durable steel, cast iron, and aluminum, this jack is available in 36, 48, and 60-inch models. It's ideal for extrication, stabilization, and forcible entry, providing similar functionality to hydraulic tools, but without the need for fuel or power sources. From rural rescues to critical structural applications, this jack is made for rapid deployment and reliable performance. Whether you're stabilizing a commercial vehicle or performing a rescue operation, the first responder jack offers unmatched versatility, making it a valuable addition to any rescue toolkit. The DiamaBrush stain removal tool provides a straightforward solution for removing stubborn stains from concrete and terrazzo floors. Compatible with automatic scrubbers, it requires only a back and forth motion to lift difficult stains like red wine or pickle juice. Start by using the DiamaBrush maintenance grit under maximum pressure, making several passes. For deeper stains, switch to the red copper stain removal tool and continue until the stain is gone. This process keeps floors spotless without harsh chemicals or intensive labor. After stain removal, polish the area to ensure it blends seamlessly with the surrounding surface for a clean, professional finish. The Micro Jig GRR-RIP block is designed to lock your wood securely in place, enhancing both safety and accuracy during woodworking tasks. Its auto-retracting heel hooks onto the tail end of your board, preventing kickback and keeping the workpiece stable. The tool's proprietary green grip material provides superior traction, making it easy to handle various materials confidently. A 90-degree flip guide enables vertical footing on bandsaws and router tables, expanding its versatility. The ergonomic handle offers excellent control, while the optional deflector mounts a shield against debris, creating a safer and more controlled working environment. This tool is an essential accessory for woodworkers aiming for precision and safety on the job. The CaNibble Nibbler tool offers a professional-grade solution for cutting metal, providing a safer and more efficient alternative to traditional snips or grinders. Designed to fit any standard drill, this tool can cut through metals up to 2 mm thick, with its unique cutting mechanism, which produces a burr-free edge without distorting the material. Capable of cutting approximately 1,200 feet on a single punch, the CaNibble Nibbler excels in creating complex shapes and precise edges. Additional attachments allow for straight cuts and perfect circles, making it suitable for various trades, from plumbing to electrical work. With easy adjustments for die position and compatibility with bench clamps for stability, the CaNibble Nibbler tool is both versatile and precise. The Milwaukee M18 Rocket dual power tower light is designed to enhance visibility and efficiency on the job site. Simple to set up, it extends to a maximum height of 7 feet and collapses to under 4 feet for easy transportation and storage. Equipped with an LED light head that provides 6,000 lumens of TrueView high-definition light, this tower light brightens large work areas effectively. With 3 independently pivoting light heads, it offers directional lighting tailored to your needs and includes 3 output settings to adjust intensity and extend runtime up to 10 hours. The built-in AC plug and USB port allow for on-site device charging, while its IP54 rating ensures resistance to dust and water, making it a durable and convenient lighting solution for professionals.